Sutta Gali. It's downstairs, the Nala.
Windy staircase.
The class lift apart.
Best place to chill in this campus. Prithvi campus.
The best place is the niche of the Tapri. That's like the best place to chill in the campus. Again, breezy place near the Idli canteen.
The Dungeon.
Nothing. Just the attendance thing.
Getting up at 6:30 in the morning and getting late for lectures every fucking day.
Vayu, definitely Vayu.
प्रेजेंटेशंस और टीचर्स के पढ़ाने के टाइम पे प्रोजेक्टर बंद करना और भी दूसरी चीज़ें जो बता नहीं सकते।
Genuinely, I would really miss everything in NMIMS. I mean, I love the college, yeah. I mean, I don't know why people have this like thing against college and they say, oh, nothing and all. But I genuinely miss everything about college, including people who I've never spoken to, whatever, like classrooms, these watchmen, Mr. D'Souza, Tushar. I mean, I'm gonna miss everything.
Pretty girls. Any day.
What would I miss the most? Third years.
One thing that I'll miss out NMIMS would be the people around me who eventually accept you for who you are and then become a part of your tribe.
Shivani Desai, she is my ex-Digi head of Vayu, and she taught me a lot. I grew as a person working under.
My best friend Surya, and he's very kind and there's a lot to learn from him.
I think everybody you meet in NMIMS in one way or the other does impact your life. So yeah, everybody has from first year to third year. That makes a lot of difference.
Most life-changing person would be Shatruka.
I would say Diwali ma'am because she's very sweet.
Tanvi Joshi ma'am, because she's kind and very generous both inside and outside the class.
PD. Nitesh sir.
Pallavi ma'am, Vivek sir. Anamika ma'am.
Favorite faculty has to be Nitesh Bhuta. Parshuram sir.
Nadeep sir. He's a cutie. He reminds me of the policeman from Noddy. He's the cutest.
सर बुक खो गई, 2 दिन दे दो, 2 दिन के बाद बना के देते हैं और वो 2 दिन में किसी और से लिखवा के देते हैं। ऐसे भी इंसिडेंसेस हुए where students have asked somebody else or has taken help from others to write their books and they get it done at 7 rupees per page. Depending on the demand, the rates may change.
And one student was like, मैम रात को हमारा कुत्ता भाग गया था, so when morning में उसको कुत्ते को ढूंढते मेरे को लेट हो गया, मेरे मेड ने खुला छोड़ दिया, so I could not find my dog and I was finding my dog throughout the entire night, so I had to come late.
So he had given a suggestion कि मैं बुक ऑटो में भूल गया था, okay? तो वो ऑटो वाले को ट्रैक करने के लिए गया, तो वो लेट भी उसीलिए हुआ और इसलिए उसके पास बुक भी नहीं था, because वो ऑटो वाले को ढूंढ नहीं पाया। This was the most weirdest reason I heard till date.
Look, in my class, first of all, let me tell you very frankly that nothing is late, first of all, okay? But, you know, since everyone has a threshold limit, I do have also have a threshold limit. But, एक ही reason है, there is only one reason. The reason is मेरे से ना हो पाएगा.
On the given topic, and that was not the first of the presentation, probably it was in the last block or so, saying that they could hardly find any literature review or article on the topic. And that too they came up with this excuse on the day of the presentation, during the presentation itself.
The best excuse that I have heard so far is a student walks in late in the class and usually I tell students that I will not give you attendance. So same thing happened here also. I told the student that you will not be getting attendance. So he agreed. Sir, don't give me attendance, at least listen to what I am saying. Then he started with his story saying that, Sir, मैं नहाने गया, मैंने पूरे बदन पे साबुन लगाया और उसके बाद पानी चला गया। And then he asked his friend to get mineral water bottle for him. तो बिस्लरी से स्नान करके कॉलेज आया, इसलिए वो लेट हो गया।